Hi, it's your girl Jada Williams.
And Wogan's Provolone.
And here we're going to present tornado watching. Our project goal during these past 2 weeks, was to find data on the past deadliest tornadoes that occurred in Oklahoma, and how tornadoes form and whatnot.
The concept of tornadoes and chasers is that tornadoes last very short amount of time, depends on which one, and they are very hard to comprehend. But scientists helps us understand by them having useful tools to help us. For example, a radar to show the image of the storm, the balloons to carry the sensors and record the conditions, the directions of the storm, and also pressure, thermometers for temperature, and wind speed.
In here, as you can see in the motion picture below, is a funnel cloud that's formed, and we're going to present a video which shows how a tornado forms.
As you may see, there are scientists or people who are curious. They wanted to see how the storm is starting to form. They started taking pictures and sending out equipment to analyze the tornado or supercell.
And right here, you can see that a funnel cloud has formed.
As you may see, you can see that the tornado is going to be complete and is going to disperse from itself into midair.
And that was an example of a supercell time-lapse.
One of the challenges that we have came across doing this project is that really the only issue is just to know who and what is a tornado chaser and what the process would be like, and it's very challenging and also life risking if you try to come across a tornado.
And yes, there were some fun aspects about learning about tornadoes and how they progress. And you can also educate yourself on how intense the wind speeds are and how much damage you can do by using an enhanced Fujita scale, which measures the wind speed of any tornado that occurs.
And these are the out-of-classroom connections that involves about a tornado or a tornado chaser. It involves a news reporting, weather forecaster, and once again, a news hunter. There may be others, but I just don't know them. But that is the end of the slideshow. I hope you enjoyed it. there will be more on his way. And yeah.
And that is the end of our tornado watching. Bye, guys.